Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Resmed Airfit F20 mask is probably one of the most popular full-face CPAP masks on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a comfortable and effective solution for sleep apnea therapy, designed to provide a secure seal and minimize air leaks, ensuring a restful night's sleep for a wide range of users, including those who breathe through their mouth. Number 5. Resmed Airfit F20 F30 QuietAir Elbow. Experience a quieter sleep with our advanced QuietAir Elbow. Designed for optimal performance and comfort. This replacement elbow is specifically engineered for your Airfit F20 and Airfit F30 masks. Ensure a perfect fit and seal every time. Our innovative QuietAir technology ensures minimal sound disruption. Enjoy peaceful nights without compromising on therapy effectiveness. This is a single-piece set, making replacement straightforward. Maintain your CPAP therapy with ease. Designed for your comfort, it promotes quiet and effective airflow. Get the restful sleep you deserve. What we like? Experience quieter therapy with this replacement elbow. Its advanced QuietAir technology significantly reduces noise levels for a more peaceful night's sleep. If you're sensitive to sound or share a bed, this is the upgrade you need for undisturbed rest. What people say. The Resmed Airfit F20 Mask is designed with a soft, flexible frame that adapts to your face for a comfortable fit. It features a magnetic clip system for easy on and off, and the Infinity Seal cushion provides a secure seal throughout the night. The full-face design covers both the nose and mouth, making it suitable for those who breathe through their mouth during sleep. Number 4. Mars Wellness Magnetic Headgear Clips. Tired of fumbling with your CPAP mask straps? These magnetic clips offer a quick and easy way to secure your headgear. Designed for compatibility with popular models like the Airfit F20 and F30, they ensure a snug and reliable fit every night. The magnetic quick disconnect makes attaching and detaching your mask simpler than ever. Enjoy a more comfortable CPAP experience. If you use a CPAP machine, these clips are an essential accessory. They streamline your nightly routine and enhance comfort. This pack includes 4 magnetic clips, providing a durable and convenient solution for your CPAP mask needs. What we like? Simplify your CPAP routine with these magnetic headgear clips. They offer a quick and effortless way to attach and detach your mask, especially useful for those who need convenience. If you value speed and ease of use in your nightly setup, these clips are a game changer. What people say. The magnetic clips are a great feature, making it easy to put on and take off the mask. The cushion is soft and conforms well to the face, providing a comfortable seal without leaks. The swivel elbow allows for freedom of movement during sleep, preventing the hose from pulling on the mask. Number 3. Resmed Airfit F20 Cushion Replacement. This is a replacement cushion specifically designed for the AirTouch F20 full-face CPAP mask. It ensures a perfect fit for your mask. Experience a personalized fit with this CPAP mask cushion. It adapts to various facial shapes, providing enhanced stability and easy adjustments for your comfort. Made from high-quality silicone, this CPAP cushion is built for lasting use. For the best performance, we recommend replacing it monthly. Enjoy a supremely comfortable experience with the ultra-soft memory foam. This full-face cushion conforms gently to your face for a luxurious feel. Resmed is dedicated to helping individuals with sleep apnea and other respiratory conditions. We empower millions to live better, healthier lives. What we like? Discover unparalleled comfort with this replacement cushion. Its ultra-soft memory foam conforms gently to your face, providing a personalized and stable seal. If you prioritize a plush feel and a highly adaptable fit for maximum comfort, this is the ideal choice for your mask. What people say. The seal is excellent and it is very comfortable. The magnetic clips are a great feature, making it easy to put on and take off. The mask is lightweight and doesn't feel bulky. Number 2. Resmed Airfit F20 Full-Face CPAP Mask Cushion Replacement, Medium. This is a replacement cushion specifically designed for the Resmed Airfit F20 Full-Face CPAP Mask. It's an essential CPAP accessory. Experience a secure and comfortable fit with this cushion mask. It's designed to adapt to various facial profiles for enhanced comfort. Crafted from heavy-duty silicone, this cushion is built for extended use. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it bi-weekly. Featuring the innovative Infinity Seal design, it ensures a reliable seal throughout your sleep apnea therapy sessions. This is crucial for effective treatment. Resmed is dedicated to helping individuals with sleep apnea and related respiratory conditions live better lives. Trust us for your respiratory care needs. What we like. Ensure a reliable seal throughout the night with this silicone cushion. Featuring the innovative Infinity Seal technology, it adapts to your movements for consistent performance. If maintaining a leak-free seal is crucial for effective therapy and you prefer a robust, long-lasting material, this cushion is designed for you. What people say. The seal is very good and it is comfortable to wear. The mask is easy to adjust and it fits well. The headgear is soft and does not leave marks on the face. Number 1. F20 Frame Only. Introducing the F20 Frame. It's designed to be a one-size-fits-all solution for your needs. This frame offers a universal fit, ensuring comfort and compatibility for everyone. Experience a perfect fit every time. Its adaptable design makes it incredibly versatile. This product includes a bracket specifically designed to hold your cushion securely. The integrated bracket ensures your cushion stays in place, providing optimal support and comfort. Enjoy the simplicity and effectiveness of this thoughtfully designed frame. It's made to fit seamlessly into your routine. What we like. This is the essential frame component for your mask system. Designed to be a one-size-fits-all solution, it ensures compatibility with various cushion types. If you need a replacement frame or are building a custom mask setup, this universal bracket offers simplicity and broad applicability. What people say. The seal is excellent and it is very comfortable. It is a great mask and I love the way it seals. This mask is very comfortable and has a great seal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.